Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to cook a lamb shank curry. So as we know, lamb shank's sort of an English kind of dish, but we've infused it with our spices, and it's a very, very popular dish in the restaurant. So you've got a big pot here. You put your oil in. Again, I'll say it again. If you want to be healthier, use olive oil. As we know, olive oil is a lot more expensive. Put some garlic and ginger in. About 1 teaspoon. Just let that cook in here and let it melt in. So when it starts to go a little bit brown, just getting cooked in there. And you add your peppers and onions, a teaspoon of salt, then you add a couple of cardamoms, a couple of cinnamon sticks. This is for the smell, and star aniseed, a couple of those, a couple of bay leaves. So then you've got the lamb shank. Up to you how many you want to put in. I've got one here. And you put it into the pan. Then you've got some water. So you want to put enough water to fill up the lamb. Make sure the lamb's getting filled up. And then you add a teaspoon of haldi. That will just help flavour the lamb while it's cooking. So we've got everything in. You put the lid on. This is the long process now. It's going to take, depending on your cooker, I know the restaurant cookers are quite powerful and it takes us about 2.5 hours, so this could be sort of at home 3.5 hours potentially. But I'll tell you, you need to add water as you go along, and you need to check that it's soft. And if you have a probe, make sure it's cooked for 75 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, so every now and then, make sure you are stirring the lamb shank. It will take a long time. Keep an eye on the water level as well. So the water will go down. Keep putting more water in. Keep that lamb shank covered. Okay, so after about a couple of hours now, you may need longer. Mine's a powerful cooker. As you can see, it's cooked quite well. If you're ever in doubt, get a probe, not very expensive. Put it into the meat and it should be 75 degrees for 30 seconds, and then you know it's safe to eat. As you can see, if you look down here, I've got this and it's piercing. That's when you know the meat's cooked and soft and ready to kind of eat. So we get the lamb shank out. It's not ready yet. We've got phase 1 is complete. If you do like it completely dry, you could just sort of have it like this. But I will put some sauce into it to make it more of a lamb shank curry. I'm going to do a gravy sauce, how we do in the restaurant. To make the gravy, obviously, I've done another video which is up here, which you can follow. So we've got our pan, some oil. So we've got our garlic and ginger paste, just about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Let that cook into the oil. Then you've got your small diced onions and peppers. Just a touch of salt. Let it caramelise in. Then you just put some tomato paste. Then you put it down. And you've got a desi style spice. It's about a teaspoon really. And mix it. Gas is on low, otherwise the spice will burn and it will stick on to the pan. And then you've got your cooked lamb shank. And then you want to put that in here. You want to get the spices onto it. The main flavour is your spices. Then you've got your base gravy. You just pour however much sauce you want on there. And then now you can put it up a bit, put the gas up, let the sauce now cook in, marinate it with the lamb shank. So I did forget to mention, but if you do want it spicy, just put a teaspoon of our chilled chili spice and that will make it spicy. Okay, so that looks pretty much done now. A little bit of coriander, and just for a bit of decoration. There is your lamb shank curry.